In the last episode, we created this program which prints out a name and an age. The thing is, each time the program is run, the same name and age will be printed out. But we don't want that. What we'll do in this episode, we'll make it dynamic so that each time the program runs, a different name and a different age can be printed out. To do this, we have to accept input from the user. Okay, so I want to bring your guys' attention to the 50 inside the square braces. What this 50 represents is the maximum length of character that this variable can hold. So you cannot exceed 50. You can do less than 50, but you cannot exceed 50. Also, we'll remove the initialization of the age variable. We do this because we accepting input, so we don't need to initialize the variable. Next, we'll display a message on the screen asking the user to input their name and their age. Remember that anything we put inside the double quote will be shown on the screen. Next, we'll make use of another built-in function called scanf. So we type scanf, open parentheses, double quote, modulus s, comma, name, semicolon. Okay guys, let's talk a little bit about what's going on here in line 12. The scanf function is a function that was included inside our project when we typed the code on line 3. What the scanf function does is that it pauses the program and waits for the user to input a value. In this case, a string value. The scanf function always takes two arguments inside the parameters. What an argument is anything that we type inside the open and close braces. So the first argument we typed was modulus s inside the double quote. Modulus s represents string. So it's telling the computer, hey, expect a string value. Then we type comma and name. So that entire line tells the computer to expect a string value and store that value inside the variable name. So we'll do the same to accept the age. You might notice that there's a slight difference between our two scanf. The reason for this is that age is an integer variable and modulus d is what represents integer. And also after the comma there's an ampersand. What the ampersand represents is address of. So the ampersand is necessary for all variables that are not string. You can put it for your string variables as well. It won't make a difference, the program will still run. So for best practice, put it on all variables, but I'll leave mine as is. Alright, so we have everything, so let's run our program and see what happens. I see, please enter your name. Alright, let's stop this for a bit and give it some space. So to do that, inside our print statement, we'll use \n. What this represents is new line. So inside the double quote, we type \n. So see, as you can see inside our console, alright, everything works. Let's stop and run it one more time just to make sure. Alright, and that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next. Yeah.